guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you a new Telegram airdrop campaign to participate in to maximize your chance of getting their utility token, and the name of this project is DAO. So you can see on the screen Tonxdao. This is a project that is backed by Notcoin. So I guess a lot of you have heard about dogs. Dogs was the project that was backed by Notcoin. So Notcoin posted about dogs on their official Telegram group, and now Notcoin is also doing the same for DAO. So guys, I'm going to show you how to stay positioned for the DAO airdrop campaign, to stay positioned for some potential reward. And in addition, this is the first vibrate to earn project on the Telegram ecosystem. So this project is a first of its kind project, so don't miss out on this. So what you just need to do is to visit the description of this video and click on the link which I'm going to drop at the description of this video. If you are watching from TikTok, what you just need to do is to click on my bio. What you just need to do is to click on my profile, then you're going to see my Telegram group link. What you just need to do is to click on it, then it's going to take you to my Telegram group where you're going to see this update. You're going to see all the necessary link for you to click so that you can start this campaign. So please, if you're on TikTok, make sure to click on my profile, click on my Telegram group link to join my Telegram group. And I'm also going to do a giveaway for those of you that are interested in farming Sidekick and you don't have 0.02 ton. So I'm going to do a giveaway very soon, early next month, which is October 2024. I'm going to do a giveaway for those of you that are interested in participating in the Sidekick airdrop campaign. So please make sure to join my Telegram group as quick as possible. Alright guys, so once you join the group, or if you are watching from YouTube and you check the description of this video for the link, what you just need to do is to click on the link, then it's going to direct you to your Telegram account. So maybe you can direct you somewhere here. You just click on start. After clicking on start, you can read it, what the project is all about. Now what you need to do is to click on start vibes, then click on start. Alright, so it's going to bring you here. You just click on next, click on start vibing. Okay, so just hold this for 5 seconds. Alright guys, so this is what you need to know. So this project is a vibrate to earn project on the Ton ecosystem. So those of you that are using Telegram can participate in it. So what you just need to do is to long press this blue circle, then your DAO token is going to add up for you. So I think this is the token or the point, but currently guys, the point is going to add up for you. What you just need to do is to long press. So this is what you just need to do, long press it until this energy is over. So I think before this energy is going to be restored again, if you are to use it up, it's going to be 8 hours later. So just long press it. Please don't miss out on this, because this project is the first of its kind project on the ecosystem. So I don't talk about copycats kind of project. I normally talk about first of its kind project on my channel. So please make sure to participate in this campaign. So this is the first vibrate to earn project on the Ton ecosystem. So you can't hear the vibration because I'm using my mobile phone. Once you click on it on your mobile phone, your phone is going to vibrate. So what you need to do, long press it. So I'm going to drop the link in my Telegram group. Alright guys, so you can see we are done. Alright, so if you click on energy, you're going to see 8 hours 20 minutes to full restore for it to full again. Then you can long press here. So now for you to complete some tasks, you just click on tasks. You can see subscribe to XDAO Telegram group, click on start, click on start. Alright, so join, you join. So we have joined already. So just wait for it to process, then they are going to give you a reward of 100k DAO. So subscribe to the Twitter. If you click here, click subscribe to Twitter. It's going to take you to Twitter for you to follow them on Twitter. So you can bypass it by going back. So let's go back. Yay. So let's click here. Click on vibes. Let me cancel this. Just click on start vibes. Alright, so click on tags. So you can see it is processing. So for you to get your referral link, what you just need to do is to click on this sign here. You click on settings. You're going to see your team. So you're going to see your team, the people I've invited so far. So you can see DAO settings. Click on invite. You're going to see your invite link. Copy it, then send it to your friends. So this is what you need to do to stay positioned for some potential reward. Click on invite, send it to your friends, then you're good to go. Make sure to be serious with this to stay positioned for some potential reward. And don't forget, this project is the first of its kind project, so likely it is going to do well. So if there's any information about this project, I'm going to tell you guys on what to do. For those of you that want to get more information from me, please make sure to join my Telegram group. Very important. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal gains to your wallet.